Okay, check this out. I'm tracking my Wolf Bone accumulation, and I have a spreadsheet right here. I'm going to track my bone and also the revenue. We'll do the revenue later when the percentages are being added up. I think this is an important video if you want to track your returns, your bone that you're wolfing, and we'll do this right now. My name is Adam Shelton, and let's go ahead and dive into the content. I just don't want to waste your time with a bunch of stuff. Let's just go ahead and dive into the content. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Now, I am doing a pairing of Bone and WAP ETH. That's what that W is. It's WAP Ethereum. Now, Bone, I have 26.45. So that's how much I have. This is the APR percentages. And we'll wait for a couple of days to see exactly like what's going to happen with everything else. Now, I'm going to just add in just the bones for right now. Eventually, I'll add the revenue, but I'm going to focus on just the accumulation of bone. So 26.45, and this is a little spreadsheet I did. It's basically, and it's in the beginning stages. I'm keeping it real simple. So pretty much the bone to age is 26.45. So we're going to put it there. We're going to go back. And that's what we have. We can always add liquidity. We always can add more to our position. And you can do that too. Not financial advice, but you always can add to your position. We're just going to keep it the way it is right now. My next pairing that I want to show you is it's going to be the SHIB and Bone pairing. And we have 44. 44. So SHIB and Bone pairing, 44. So let me go ahead and highlight this. And it's just good to track your progress. Track your progress just to see where you are. I'm just doing today's date. I just now start to really track it. I was just sitting there. I'm thinking, I think you probably would like this. Just track it and make sure what's going on. And then today also we have SHIB and Ethereum. Wrap Ethereum again. That's only 2.4. So there we go. All right. So we have that. I'll make this nice and neat. Nice and neat, nice and neat, nice and neat, nice and neat. We got the SHIB, we got the bone. I'm excited. And then what I'm going to do is eventually I'm going to add some of the revenue probably over here or underneath here. So I'm just going to just trap it and I'll keep you guys updated. I'll keep you updated on exactly what's happening on this. So that's the only pairing I have at this time. If you're just jumping on here, you're like, what is he talking about pairing? What I did was you start with the digging process. So prime example, I just want to show you real quick for the people who just coming on here. I'll need to add liquidity. This is how we started, the digging process. So this is a pairing for me to get more bone, basically in short. It's a pairing that I can accumulate more bone. Just like it said here, get bones in our liquidity pool. So then what I have to do is just go ahead and purchase leash and bone as a formality. It has to even out. Both, I'll go ahead and buy this, and then what happens, I have to approve it and add a deposit. So let me go back to that woman. So then after I add liquidity, I have to put a deposit down there, deposit to hold the liquidity pool or put it in the liquidity pool, and then after that it'll look just like this. It'll look just like that. Just in short, very simple. Very easy. I'll do another video to actually do it very, very, very slow. But this video is about tracking the bone accumulation when we're wolfing. We have no plans to really take any profits at this time. I have no plans to take any profits or even to wolf some of this out. I don't have any profits. I know I see a date here, unwolfable 0.99252. I have no plans to touching that. And enough wolfable date is going to be in January. Maybe around that time, I may actually start to look into actually doing some wolfable, taking it out. But I'm interested and want to see how this goes. I want to continue adding to my position and then doing something with that bone. Because I do think bone is going to be worth more than $5. Worth than $5. It's definitely going to be there. Now, if you're probably wondering, okay, so how much he put in? I put in about, I misspelled this. I put in about $150. Don't quote me exact of how I got all this. Don't quote me exactly how I got all this. So if I'm just basically doing the math, if I do, okay, I got the calculator here. So if I do calculator. So basically, Bone is worth, let's see here. Actually, will not move. Okay, so basically, Bone is worth $5. So Bone's worth $5, right? 26 times 5, pretty much. That's how much how much we have. 26. Let me move this calculator. It's really acting up. Times, because I want you to see this. 5. $130. I've already made my initial investment. My original investment for all this was $150. $150. And so I've already made $130, and we haven't even calculated the SHIB yet. So basically, if I did this, be 130 rev. I said I wasn't going to do it right now, but I'm sure you watching this, you probably want to know, how much revenue is he getting? And then I do 45 times, I'm going to do it on here because the calculator is really messing. 45 times 5, 220. I just want you guys to see that, 220. The calculator on here is messing up. So look at this. Already, $222 of the revenue of the Bone. Remember, our original investment was only $150. And then 2 times 5, so that's only $10. So if you add in all these numbers up, 130 plus 220 plus, is that 10? I guess, yeah, $10. It's $360. $60, $360. So we basically got a profit of $210. Not bad. So $360 is what we have. And then we have a profit of $210. That's our profit right there so far. And we just started this really not long ago in terms of this whole process. So I'm going to be looking to add more liquidity to some of those pairing positions. I may look to some other pairings. I've been looking at LEASH and Bone because I'm looking at how good. To me, I think it's still a good APR percentage in my opinion. But I'm looking at this right here, LEASH and Bone, and I'm looking more to adding more to my position. So this right here will go higher because 360, if I'm just doing the math, just doing some simple math. I know I'm not exact. I just want to get you guys, an example of what you can do. And my original investment was $150. I made $360. So let me go ahead. $360 is the total. And then so my profit is $210. Now this is not financial advice. This is entertainment purposes. This is not financial advice. I'm just showing you what you can do. Now this next spreadsheet, I'm going to go ahead and make it really a little bit nicer, a little bit more organized to really show you exactly what it is. But I just basically just made this on the fly to show you because I was sitting on the couch. I was like, man, I want to show you that you can basically track your bone accumulation when you're woofing and make it fun and entertainment. If you watch this channel, it's fun, entertaining, and it's educational. Absolutely. I'll be back with another video to show you what the progress is. Probably another week. I'll be back with another video. Well, let's do this probably next week. And let's see if these numbers change. Remember, the profit's $210 so far. We've got $360 in there. And our original investment was $150. So I'll be back with another video to update this. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel. And hit that bell notification when you get videos just like this. I'll see you next time. I can't wait to see you again. You know what time it is. I'll see you.